Welcome to this tutorial on adjusting mouse settings. In this video, we will walk you through how to customize your mouse settings for better comfort and efficiency. Whether you are using a desktop or a laptop, this simple adjustment can improve your digital experience. So mouse settings allows you to change how your mouse behaves, from adjusting the speed of the pointer to changing the mouse button's functions. These settings can help you navigate more easily, especially if you have specific accessibility needs or preference. So to open your mouse settings, what you need to do is click on your keyboard, that's the Windows logo, and then I. So when you click the both combination, then it's going to open your mouse settings. And then what you need to do next is to go to find a setting, and then tap mouse. Here you can see we have the mouse setting. We also have the mouse keys, mouse pointer style, and mouse pointer size. So click on mouse settings. So here in the mouse settings, you can see the mouse pointer speed. You can see it's at the moment it's at the middle. We can actually increase it. You can see it goes very, very fast. Or we can actually, you can see how slow it goes. So let's just take this like this. And then also, we have the enhanced pointer precision. Here you can see it is on, and then roll the mouse wheel to scroll. So we have multiple lines at a time. We have one screen at a time. And here you can see all the different settings of your mouse that you can actually adjust. But importantly, we have the additional mouse settings. So click on it. And here we can actually, here you can see, I'm actually using my mouse. When I right click, here we can see the right click to actually click on a specific program or to click on a specific settings. You can actually make it to the other side. For example, I can switch, or we can actually, now you can see I cannot even use my right mouse again. I need to use my left mouse. And again to the pointer, here you can see we have, that is a normal pointer. We can actually select a different pointer if you like. And we have the pointer options. Also, you can see select a pointer speed. That's the motion. You can see it's fast and slow. So, but mind you, every settings you adjust here is going to affect how your mouse behave. So be careful when you try to actually change. For example, you can see display. You can see what happens. You can see right now it's showing me different mouse, which of course I don't actually like it that way. So I can just uncheck display mounter trails. Here it says hide the pointer while typing. You can see hide the pointer while typing. So automatically, when you start typing, the pointer will be hide. For example, here, when I do hello, you can see I'm not seeing my pointer at the moment. And also, let me just put that back. And we can see the wheel as well. You can see the following numbers of lines at a time, which is 3, but you can actually increase it, or 1 screen at a time. And here we have the mouse hardware. You can actually click and you can see the location, the device status. For example, the device is working properly. And again, at the bottom, you can see the speed is slow. We can actually slow it off, make it very fast. We can turn on the click lock, but I don't want to turn this on because it may affect my mouse usage. And also, you can see here we have our mouse pointer. So when I click on it, I can actually change. You can see it's just change. And when I click on this, we can have different mouse, different color as well. For example, this, you can see the color just change. So you can see you have different options to actually modify your mouse settings. So I will advise you to actually play with it, see how it works. And then, but mind you, any adjustment you make on your mouse is going to affect how your mouse behave. So see you on the next video, and thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video.